This is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money. Stop overthinking it. Just start posting. This channel right here was one of my first YouTube channels and it generated me $286,000. And all I did was post faceless rap videos. Now you may be wondering what I mean by that. Essentially, every time a rapper or a celebrity that I felt was good to make a video on would do something, I would just make a video about it and it would blow up. Then I would get paid for the video I made. This one right here, for example, was YNW Melly's reaction receiving a life sentence, 8.9 million views, paid me $41,000. The baby response to losing record deal, 1.6 million views, $10,000. And I made this relatively fast. I was literally less than in a week, I already had 1 million views, which was about $9,000 probably. This one right here, another situation, 1 million views, $6,000. Kevin Hart response to Cat Williams. This other one over here, Papoose exposes Remy Ma, 945,000 views, got me $7,200. Now there's two ways to go about this. You can go the faceless way, where you don't show your face. For example, I never did for years and years. I never showed who my face was. I never told anybody what it was that I did, and I would just make scripts, audios, video edit, make money, rinse and repeat over and over. Or you could just show your face, use your voice, not care about what other people think about you, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what other people think about you. Just make videos, especially if you can potentially get paid. That's kind of the goal, is to like have this be your full-time job. And YouTube's been my full-time job for the past 7 years. And even if you don't want it to be, think about how easy it is to get home from work, spend an hour, 2 hours on a video, post it every single day, make it a habit, and then you have an extra 1,000, couple thousand, maybe even more every single month for just doing something instead of scrolling on your phone, consuming content, creating content. And even if you don't want to post every day, I actually went ahead and proved it that you don't have to post every single day. It will take longer, but you can get monetized without posting every single day, posting every once in a while, just focusing on making content that you care about every now and then, making sure it's, better quality, figuring out what it is that you want to do. I got this channel right here monetized in 3 months. Literally 3 months, I got it monetized. One of the first videos I posted got 200,000 views. The next one got 55,000. The next one after that got 50,000. And all I do is sit in front of the camera like I'm doing right now and talk. And you can go check it out. If you don't believe me, you can go on the channel, see what it is that I do, and just replicate it. Do what I'm doing right now and then just start posting it. Switch it up obviously a little bit. Don't make it exactly like mine because it's my own swag. You can, people do that, but you don't have to. But then you're gonna start thinking like, oh dude, Mario, I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to do Photoshop. Like, it's just too difficult. Everything you want to learn is free on YouTube already. That's how I learned how to do all of this. If I wanted to learn how to do a specific edit, I would go on YouTube and look up how to do that specific edit. If I wanted to learn how to Photoshop something, I would go on YouTube, look up how to Photoshop a specific thing. If I wanted to learn how to do my audio, my camera gear, everything that I've learned has been through YouTube. We're in a revolution right now where you don't have to go to school to learn how to do something new. A lot of people are also going to try to sell you a course and be like, dude, like you have to go and buy this. I'm going to teach you everything you have to. Like, you can learn it for free already. The only difference that you would find value from is finding a teacher you actually enjoy learning from, that teaches you exactly how you like to learn, that it's already packaged in a single way from someone who already has results, and a community who's always helping each other, figuring out how to use different tools, figuring out different strategies, figuring out what the algorithm is doing. That's really the benefit you find from joining communities. Now, a couple of years ago, my brother started a community and it's grown over the past couple of years. He's had a lot of, success in that community. And it's really funny because we found a lot of other gurus popping up, literally copying bar for bar the YouTube videos that we publish where we talk about the algorithm and stuff like that. They're coming in here and then stealing it and then posting it themselves, trying to make it seem like they discovered these crazy things and they're some sort of genius.
So if your views are low, or you're scared of demonetization,
listen up, because I'm going to tell you the 8 biggest changes of the YouTube algorithm, starting with change number 1, Gemini. So it's fully official. Okay, the YouTube algorithm is now powered by Gemini Gemini AI. Now, for those of you that don't know what Gemini is, it's pretty much Google's ChatGPT. And the job that YouTube gave Gemini is to analyze videos. So technically, it's no longer about tags, titles, or anything that's mattered before. Because of Gemini, now it's what you say, how you say it, and what you show on, like the actual visuals of your video. It understands the tone. If your video is supposed to be sad, it understands it. If being sarcastic, it also understands. Gemini also analyzes behavior on the platform, which takes me to number 2, trust score.
You would think this is the only person, but it's not. And this isn't the first time it's happened either. There's just the recent people that, you know, have been caught doing something like this. But imagine how many other people are doing stuff like this.
Now, for those of you that don't know what Gemini is, it's pretty much Google's ChatGPT.
And if you don't know what it is, think of it as Google's version of ChatGPT.
And it even understands the tone. Like,
it even picks up on your tone.
Like if your video is supposed to be sad, it understands it.
If your video is meant to be funny, it knows.
If you're being sarcastic, it also understands it.
If you're being sarcastic in your video, it also knows that too.
So that's pretty scary shit within itself.
And honestly, this one scared me when I first learned about it.
Now, when YouTube reviews your channel, which they will.
When YouTube reviews your channel, and they will.
The first thing that Gemini will check is your channel trailer.
And the first thing that plays is going to be your channel trailer.
The age of the email and the age of the YouTube channel.
Use an email that has been around for a while.
The older the YouTube channel is, the better. Just use your personal email.
Maybe your personal Gmail that you've been using for years.
If you have any Google subscriptions like Google One, Google Workspace, YouTube Premium, you know, any of those subscriptions, the better it is.
Even better, if you have Google subscriptions like YouTube Premium, Google One, or Workspace, that's extra proof.
Right, you want to show Gemini and YouTube that you're a human, and a human doesn't start YouTube by uploading every single day.
You're basically showing the algorithm that you're a real human.
Now, these clowns are fraudsters, and it sucks that, you know, some people unfortunately fall for these things. Just be careful. Try to do your due diligence on these people. A lot of them are faking their results. A lot of them are faking who they are just to catch a bag out of, you know, having people pay them to teach them how to do these things. A lot of these guys aren't YouTubers. They're literally course sellers who are portraying to be YouTubers. We're YouTubers. We got real plaques. These guys are buying fake plaques. But I digress. That doesn't matter. My point being is that I started from the trenches. I learned everything with my bare bones. And me and my brother got over $1 million in YouTube ad revenue. We got the receipts to prove that. A lot of these people don't. We've exposed a lot of different channels. And there's still a lot of channels we haven't exposed yet because gatekeeping is a thing. But because of this, I built another community as well. And this is a smaller one. We still have my brother's community, which is still really good and really strong. If that's something you're interested in joining, click the link down below. But that one mainly focuses on faceless content. I did create a new one that also teaches how to do faceless content, but it's not just faceless. I'm also adding personality channels, which I'm teaching you everything from like camera equipment, microphone equipment, lighting, how to do, you know, videos in this format, which is what I like to do. I like to do commentary style videos, but also like vlogs and stuff, which is other stuff that I'm getting into, just doing stuff that you think of when you think about YouTubers. And there's a lot of different creators who don't have that kind of person to teach them. The information is there, but it's just jumbled all over the place, and they don't have a real YouTuber who's been doing this for a long time to kind of tell them what it is that they have to do, because it's a cold game. Honestly, you don't have any coworkers. You start this by yourself. You build a business by yourself with no help aside from what you see on the internet, and it's really hard to differentiate what's reality and what's fake, especially with clowns like the ones we just saw who are trying to be somebody they really aren't. So if you've ever even contemplated becoming a content creator, at some point you want to stop being a consumer and start being a creator and be a part of this gold rush revolution that we're literally all experiencing right now. Stop scrolling and start making. We have all the AI tools. YouTube is literally throwing us all these tools with Gemini, with ChatGPT. They even made a free editing software now. Like, you have all the tools in your disposal to start making content. So I'm going to link the communities down in the description below, and you can pick which one you want to join. I'm going to be doing weekly calls starting 2026, so you get to talk to me face to face, ask me questions that, you know, maybe there's some stuff that's missing in the community and I didn't add it, or I just forgot about it. You can ask me the questions directly. I can add it, tell you. It's going to be pretty cool. So make sure you check that out. Thank you for watching.